Hi, I'm Alexia Nguyen
And I'm Rich
at C21 SOT. Welcome to our newest listing
at 3479 Story Road in San Jose.
Come and explore this beautiful custom home with us. Hi, step into.
We're inside the house, and the great thing about this home is every living space is very close by to each other.
We have a very high ceiling with coffered tray ceiling and a gas fireplace.
With some speakers that are already installed into the living room. What's great is there's a lot of light here, as well as already hookup for TV above the fireplace.
I love this spacious kitchen. Even the feng shui flows really well, how the sink is not facing the stove.
And then you have the custom granite quartz countertop, and then you have the custom cabinets all the way to the ceiling, as well as it's overlooking the living room. You have gas stove cooktop.
And you have the double oven.
And then you have a actual bar area as well. And then a pantry, a walk-in pantry. So on this side of the wing, you have two downstairs bedroom and a bathroom with two sinks for your guests or a family.
Look at this huge master bedroom with a lot of gleaming sunlight throughout the room.
Yes, and it has high coffer ceiling and leading to a very spacious master bath. I love this jacuzzi with jet tub and custom stone steps, as well as the oversized shower and the very spacious walk-in closets.
So I'm in the other master bedroom. It's on the opposite side of the house, so you have some privacy. It's also got its own walk-in closet. It's also got the same high coffered ceilings, as well as natural light.
I'm standing in the second master bath upstairs. You have jacuzzi tub, another separate shower, and it's at the opposite end of the hall. Sitting in this loft area, open space, and very pretty arch windows.
Now in addition, it's got the same coffered ceilings, it's got the fire sprinklers, it's even got a network connection if you want to convert this into a home office. Look at this amazing garage. We can fit 3 cars here. We've got 20-foot high ceilings. We've got a large family water heater. In addition, you've got numerous fire sprinklers throughout, and you've even got extra storage underneath the stairway. Now I'm here in the amazing backyard. The seller spent a lot of time and effort to put a really high retaining wall here. They got approved by the city, and you've got a lot of privacy here in this backyard. As you can tell with the beautiful landscaping, you've also got nice cement throughout the backyard. In addition, you've also got a high tonnage air conditioning system that's going to keep your family nice and cool in the summertime. For entertainment, if your kids love to put on performance, there's this nice concrete stage. And in addition, you've also got a barbecue area and plenty of room for you to enjoy those hot summer nights. The property is extremely close to Happy Hollow Park and Zoo, and is only a couple miles away from Raging Waters, a Bay Area favorite, especially in the summertime. Now this listing is amazingly close to Vietnam Town. As we speak, this Vietnam Town holds hundreds of restaurants, including specialty Vietnamese food, such as bánh canh cua, bánh xèo, as well as many additional pho places. And in the back, they're building even more stores, including a food court. Thank you so much for taking the tour with us. Reach out to us if you want a private showing.